WingtraDrone and WingtraMaps make it possible for us to deliver exceptional client experience. BFW Marcum Engineering is a family of consulting engineering firms. It's really the combination of the equipment and the technology that allows us to mitigate all of the challenges on the site while also delivering the product in a very timely fashion.
I think this project took us, maybe it was a 20-minute flight, which on terrestrial LiDAR, you're talking probably days.
We work for departments of transportation. We work for the federal government agencies. We work for local governments. We have 700 projects in any given year going on at any given time.
So on this project, I think we were looking at around 60 acres, 70 acres.
I would say the main benefits for WingtraMaps would be alleviating our capacity. So when I upload something, I can work on another project or upload 2 or 3 at a time. And when I get that end deliverable, I can crop or downsize or extract that point cloud data so that I can start creating all of my line work.
It also has a driver of safety and a safety and environmental component as well. So if we can reduce the human resource aspect of this, and we can increase efficiency and we can increase accuracy, then what that has done is that has allowed us to be more efficient, more timely, be more competitive in a very competitive space.
While we may be a smaller operation in the geospatial space, we're able to do 15 to 30% more than we would if we did not have those resources. We would highly recommend Wingtra. We've been extremely pleased with their services and products. They've consistently worked diligently to provide top-of-class service on our behalf.